We have a special guest with Niall.
Hello.
I've done a bad thing, Niall.
What have we done today?
I signed up for ski training.
Niall also skis though.
I am not that good at skiing.
I'm terrible at skiing.
I am what they call a wedge turn specialist. If you need a wedge fixed, I can fix it. If you're trying to remove your wedge, probably not the guy.
Probably not.
So, for whatever reason, I decided to sign up for ski training, and as I clicked the button, realised it was with Michael Richards. So, I may not have a job.
So you're going to have a fun morning?
I'm going to have, yeah.
Yeah.
So 2 days ago, a guest sent a lovely email saying how great I was at level 1 and level 2, and they had an amazing experience. And now I signed up for ski training, and he's going to be like, what did you do to this guest? Because it wasn't skiing. So we've got that to look forward to.
Hey, level 1 and level 2 specialist, nothing to be ashamed of.
Is there anything going on in the world of Niall?
Me, God no. Sick again, of course.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, you know, life on the mountain. But now, looking forward to it warming up over the next few days.
Yeah? Having a good season?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Sweet.
Good.